Summer's done and dusted, which means it's time to get ready for the cooler autumn months in your garden. The autumn months are when the weather starts to turn from warmer to cooler, so it's a great time to take advantage of the last of the warmth to repair and rejuvenate your garden.
And surprisingly, this season is vital in ensuring that your plants not only survive winter, but also continue their growth into spring. You ready?
Let's get into it.
Let's go. It's really important to prevent leaves and debris getting stuck in your gutters. Not doing this can lead to overflow, contaminated water and blockages. Gutter guards are a really great way to help prevent leaves and debris clogging up your gutters. First, clean the gutters of leaves and debris. There are various types of products available to suit your individual budget and needs. If you happen to be in a fire-prone area, please make sure you're using fire retardant materials.
Continuing the theme of preparation, let's look at soil and planting. Start by removing any of your old summer vegetables and annuals that have reached the end of their life. And then we dig in some lovely manure or compost, and a good way to get compost is to make it yourself.
Nola, I brought some awesome autumn plants. I've got some lovely potted colour, your pansies, your lobelia, some rocket, some spinach, some beetroot, all the good stuff.
Autumn is actually a really good time to be planting before the cooler months. This is because during the cooler months, plants put a lot of their energy into their root system, and this makes them hardier for the years to come.
If you don't have a large established tree, like this gorgeous golden elm, in your yard, consider planting one of your own. Trees have a vital role in landscape. They offer shade and beauty, they have environmental benefits, and they often attract wildlife. It's best to plant in autumn because the heat has gone from the air, making it much more comfortable for your plant. The ground is moist and easier to dig, but most importantly, it allows the tree time to establish roots before it gets too cold and goes dormant.
Speaking of growth, now is a really good time to be pruning back any summer growth. Plants that flowered in the spring and the summer like to be pruned before we go into the winter, but just make sure your secateurs are very sharp so you get a nice clean cut.
When they say the grass is greener on the other side, you want to make sure they're talking about your grass. Now is a great time to spray any weeds that are in your lawn. Just check the bottle of your weed killer to see when it says how long you have to wait before you can mow. When the time is right, give the lawn edges around garden beds and paving a trim, then mow.
Patchy lawns can be a real eyesore, particularly patches like this. We've just been through the summer months and the hot sun can really burn your lawn. Or perhaps the kids have been playing too much backyard cricket in the one spot. One thing that can really help your lawn is to aerate it using a fork. Put the fork in like this, wiggle it about. That allows the oxygen and the water penetrate down to the root system, which will really help the patch. You can also use aeration shoes if you prefer to. To encourage and help your lawn, apply a top dressing. By fertilising your lawn in autumn, you'll be preparing your lawn with its essential nutrients, encourage growth and extend your lawn's colouring heading into the cooler periods.
From here, don't forget to water your lawn. The amount will differ week to week, depending on your rainfall and the heat. Just remember, there are still plenty of warm days left in autumn. Another part of good garden maintenance is weeding areas that aren't your lawn. Weeds can pop up all year round, but they can get a little out of control in summer. Spray a weed killer to remove as many as you can before they set seed. To make your life easier, you can use a weed killer that also targets broadleaf and grass type weeds. Now you can't have a spectacular backyard without the use of amenities that let you utilise your space all year round.
An outdoor heater is a must-have. The days are still warm but the nights are getting cooler. There's a number of different models you can choose from, both electric or gas, like this portable model.
This garden has flourished throughout spring and summer. Autumn will be no different.
We've prepared this garden for what's to come throughout the season, and I can't wait to see this backyard thrive.
Can we turn the heater on now?